Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and I hope you all are preparing for the upcoming banking examinations. So, IBPS PO examination is over now and my examination was on 4th December 2021 on the third shift. And my examination did not went very well. Um, it was not up to the mark as my expectations. Um, so let's talk about it. Why I am telling so. The English section was a little bit. I found it at least a little bit tricky than the SBI PO prelims. Because the RCs were RC what in my shift the RC was a little bit tough, especially the questions asked in the RC. It was a little bit confusing, and although the synonyms and antonyms which were asked from the RCs were very easy, it was easy for me, and the grammar section, the word interchange questions were a little bit trickier for me, and yeah, that was it. So I attempted only 21 questions from English section. Okay, so English was a little bit tricky for me, at least for me. I don't know about you all. So if you can relate with me, you can also comment it down in the comment section. Okay, and then comes the quant section. So quant, I expected this type of question in quant because I attempted practice marks questions, and there also I solved these type of questions in quant. So the level of quant was almost the level which was I given in practice marks questions. So yeah, I did not expected much from quant, honestly speaking. My quant section is moderate, okay, not very good, not very bad, but it is moderate. So I did not expected much from the quant section. I attempted only 19 questions in quant, which is I think not very good, but yeah, it's okay. And also one thing that the DIs in my shift in quant were easy. Okay, it was very easy. On the only thing which I was stuck in quant is number series questions, although it was a missing number series question, but I could not found the logic, could not find the logic in the number series question. So I skipped 3 number series questions. I did not attempted that. I solved that, but I could not found the logic behind it. So I skipped 3 questions in number series. There were other questions like inequality questions. Sorry, it is not inequality, it is quadratic equations questions, and then there were no simplification in my shift. Okay, and there were only I attempted 5 plus 5 DIs, means 10 DI questions, and therefore 2 I think a number series question which were missing number series, and then some arithmetic questions. Okay, 2 to 3 I think arithmetic questions, and what else, and yeah, there were quadratic equation questions also. So I attempted 5 I think quadratic equation questions. So overall I attempted 19 questions in quant section. So quant was not that surprising section for me because I expected this much, this level of quant. Okay, um, and then comes the reasoning section. In reasoning, I attempted overall 25 questions. Not 25, 24 I think. Yes, 25 questions, 24 questions in reasoning. So I found out that reasoning section was very easy at least for me it was very easy. Why I am telling so? Because I attempted 2 puzzles, and both the puzzles were solved in first attempt only. So yeah, I found out that the puzzles were very easy. One was day based puzzle, and the other puzzle was year based puzzle. Okay, the other puzzle was, yes, it was year based puzzle, in which 2 year were leap year also, this kind of. So one was, because I am good in puzzles rather than sitting arrangements, so I prefer doing puzzles first. So I attempted 2 puzzles only, and there was no time left for the sitting arrangement question, so I skipped that. I did not even read the questions. Okay, and I overall attempted 24 questions in reasoning section, which is very moderate or below average, I think. So yeah, that was it. And my overall attempts in IBPS PO prelims were 64, which is, I know it is a not very good attempts, but let's see what happens. I'm not expecting anything from this because my examination did not did not went well, and yeah, it was not up to my expectations. So that is it for the video, and tell me your attempts for of IBPS PO prelims 2021 in the comment section. And yeah, that is it. And one more thing, if we should prepare for mains or not. So I think whoever who have attempted more than 60, I think they should prepare for mains examination, because if you are selected for mains, then it is good. If not, then our preparation will continue, and our preparation will benefit us in the upcoming examination. Okay, so I think we should prepare for the mains examination. At least I will do so. And yeah, that is it for the video. And if you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query about anything, then you can comment down below. And also don't forget to share your attempts in IBPS PO prelims 2021. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.